Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tag On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to find out Twitter or X username and password. Friends, to find out Twitter or X username and password, if you go on Twitter, you will not find any username and the password here, my friends. So friends, for this, you have to go on the Play Store of your phone. Then you have to tap on the profile picture at the top right corner. Then you have to tap on manage your Google account. Then you have to tap on security from here. After that, you have to scroll down at the bottom, my friends. You have to find out the password manager. See, this one password manager, right? Just tap on here, password manager, and you'll see there is a lots of website has the password and username saved, right? So my friends, I want to find out the Twitter username and the password, so I'll tap on here. Now I have to use my fingerprint to unlock my mobile. And see, my friends, you can see here Twitter username and the password. Now if I tap on the iSign, you'll see the password here, and this is the username. So friends, like this, if you want, you can find out the username and the password of Twitter or X account, my friends. Friends, to find out Twitter username and the password, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give you answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.